Hello guys, we're down on the boardwalk in Dumaguete. We're going to get some lunch. We just came from the college enrollment center. He's got a couple more things he's got to do and then he'll be enrolled. So we decided we're going to go get some lunch if we can get across the street. It's busy. Sometimes you just gotta walk. They don't have crosswalks, they don't let you go. You just gotta kind of go. Yeah, we made it. They got construction going on here. The building, can't remember what it is. Not sure. But it's been going on for about 6-8 months. So we're heading down this way. There's a place down here called JoJo's Chicken. How appropriate. I've been there once and it was really good. It's busy. It's lunchtime now. It's around 11:15. This place looks pretty good. Called Sizzlers. I've never eaten there. But looks like it's pretty good. This one here is Amigo Barbecue Mexican Pizza Bar. Haven't eaten there either. This is the store we always go to shop in supermarket. It's a small one. Belchris. I've done a video on that before. They have a lot of American products in there. Barbecue sauce, Sweet Baby Ray's. One of my favorites. So that's my go-to place for that. And we're almost there. It's right here. It's right up here. My little walking tour here. And gotta watch. Yeah, I'm walking right in the street. Here we go. Right here. Joe's Chicken. This is a good place to eat. I haven't been here for a while, but this is a place we've always been to before. Actually, I haven't been here since we moved here. It was one of our other visits. It's busy. So we're going upstairs. Last time I ate here, we ate upstairs. Yeah, it's nice up here. Hello. 3 of us right in here. Thank you. And here we are. Oh, it's nice in here. It's AC and everything. Oh, yeah, this is cool. Okay. All right, I'm going to go for now. I'm going to eat, and then I'll do a recap on our food. Thank you.